I was asked by someone how to boost my self-confidence. Where do I get confidence from? Surprisingly, the guy who was asking this question was ostensibly confident. But subsequently, when I started interacting with him, I found out that he has a problem while interacting with the opposite gender. So that was one specific area wherein he had problem. He lacked confidence. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to boost our self-confidence. The first thing which you have to understand over here is not having confidence in totality may not be possible. You may have problem in certain specific areas. There could be a problem in terms of interacting with opposite gender. There could be a problem in speaking in public from a stage. There could be a problem in terms of communication because of language issues. So to overcome this problem, first thing which we have to understand over here is that we have to have good amount of knowledge, and knowledge comes from information. For information, we have to go through the process of 3 E's. 3 E's are: 1, environment; 2, exposure; 3, experience. So we have to choose an environment wherein we can get exposed to the required information to boost our confidence. And repeatedly exposing ourselves will give us experience, and experience will give us knowledge. Once we have knowledge, we'll be able to boost our confidence. Second important thing is that we have to break the rules. Rules are nothing but the habits which we have developed over the period of time. So that becomes our rules. We have confined ourselves to a wall which we have built ourselves. So we have to cross that wall. And to cross that wall, we have to do certain small things in our life. First important thing is that we have to do the very thing which we are most afraid to do. Normally, we avoid doing something which we are scared of. But here we are talking about doing something which we are afraid of. That will boost the confidence tremendously. Secondly, we have to take calculative risk. Risk may or may not give you results in life, but that will definitely boost confidence. Thirdly, we have to be positive in our imagination. Imagine all positive things happening in life. That will give you a positive frame of mind while doing anything in your life. And positivity will definitely boost your confidence. So these are the basics which we can do to boost your confidence. I hope this video will help you to boost your confidence. Thank you.